cleaned the floor, and the next stage is to seal it, because after that we need to grout it. So any natural stone should always be sealed prior to grouting. But you want to put a generous amount on and let it soak into the stone. Make sure you cover everywhere. And this will help prevent future stains. Don't want to flood it, but you want to put a generous amount on and let it soak into the stone. Make sure you cover everywhere. And this will help prevent future stains, but it is something that you need to do regularly. When I say regularly, I don't mean once a week, but every couple of months you want to give it a clean and a seal. It will just help protect the stone. If you're not sure where you've been, just go back over. And you can almost see it, there's a slight shimmer to it. Obviously, because it's wet, you'll be able to see. Sealer also brings out the colour and the detail within the tile. Okay, and that's floor sealed. Now we're ready for the grout stage. So once that dries, it shouldn't take too long, it's ready for grouting. Now all them dark lines just disappear and bring the whole floor together. The brass trim stands out. And here we have the finished product.
Bye.